Alrighty, Dean, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give description, it's a combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got your Victor Junior manifold. Just run one of our carburetors. Front sump oil painting set. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Wonder to make her run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500. It's 519 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 553. Peak horsepower 534. Rate of 520, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you. And when you see your engine, find this thing looks like credit cards, USB card, full of technical information. It's got the engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It has some other specs there, plus the engine number. If you need anything from us, that's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.